What if there was a way to start a software company as a complete beginner for completely free? Most likely, if you hear that statement, you would think that this guy's full of crap. Most software companies out there need thousands of euros or dollars in funding to start out. Founders of these companies give out a massive percentage of their company to investors to get the thing started. Well, luckily for you, you stumbled across this video right here, and you're about to learn exactly how you can start your very own software company at home as a complete beginner. You don't need to have any marketing experience, any coding experience, or even any software experience, all for completely free. So before we jump right into it and I show you exactly how you can do this literally today, literally right after you watch this video right here, I'm going to show you another big CRM software company. If you're not sure what a CRM is, it's a customer relationship manager. Pretty much where you can go to all of your clients and all of your customers and help them pretty much keep track of their entire sales process. They can keep track of every single one of their customers, every single one of their potential customers. They can organize these into one simple hub, all in the one place. So this one right here called HubSpot is a massive CRM out there. You've probably saw some of their ads on YouTube. You've probably even saw some of their ads on the TV. HubSpot is a big CRM tool that works with a lot of different businesses out there. And the value today of HubSpot, as I am recording this, is $34.85 billion. So the point is, these companies have been around for so long. They've been selling their CRM to businesses for years upon years at this point. But if we head over to marketing over on their website and we check out the prices, their lowest plan right here for the marketing starts at 880 euros every single month. To give my American viewers a bit of context, that costs in around $930 to $940 every single month. But you're going to want to listen to exactly what I have to say, because it's going to completely change your life forever. As long as you just listen to what I'm about to say, you go out there and implement what I'm about to say. Because right now, heading into 2025, we're sitting on a completely untapped goldmine. There is a software company out there called HighLevel. If you've never heard of HighLevel before, it is a CRM software platform that you're allowed to upload your very own logo on the software, and you're able to go out and sell that software to businesses for whatever price you want. Your average client is going to be paying you between 300 and 500 euros or dollars or pounds every single month for the software. And the thing is, with this pricing model right here, you're still coming in at 50% cheaper than HubSpot's cheapest plan. And that is why there are people starting this business model right now, because they see the potential, they know the market cap, they know how big these other companies are growing to in literally the tens of billions. All you need to do is get a few clients in the door, paying you that monthly fee every single month, and the business pretty much runs on autopilot. Every single client that you work with is of course going to be a different type of business, and they're going to need different things. But once everything is all completely set up, things just pretty much just run by themselves. There's not really much maintenance to do for them every single month. There's not really much check-ins you got to do with them every month. You're finally able to start, build, and scale a software company that's suited to the exact life you want to live. Real quick guys, before we do move forward with the rest of this video, if you do want access to a completely free step-by-step course that shows you a lot of this in a lot more details, I show you how to get it all set up, how to find clients, how to outreach to clients. You also get access to all my templates, all of my imports, all of my scripts, literally all of my bonuses, weekly coaching calls, and one-to-one mentorship. You also get access to a completely free extended 30-day free trial to HighLevel itself. If you do want access to that, go ahead and click on that first link down below in the description, or you can simply just head over to softwarearbitrage.com. So just to give you some context on exactly what you're going to be able to do for clients, I'm signed in to my HighLevel platform, and you're probably looking at this right now and you don't see any of the HighLevel logo, or you don't see any of the HighLevel name or domain on here. That is because I've already made the software my own. So this right here is my logo. My software is called Growth Rate. This is exactly what we sell to businesses every single month. As you can see over on the left hand side, there are so many different features, and inside of these features there's even more features that you can go out and sell to businesses. HighLevel's constantly adding on so many different things that you can sell to businesses, but right now I'm about to show you the main ones that you should be focusing on right now coming into 2025. So if we head over on the left hand side, this one right here is very self-explanatory. It's easy to understand. It's an easy thing to offer to businesses, It's called sites. We're going to be offering websites. So if we head over to the left-hand side, click on sites, head then over to websites. And if we come up the top, we can click on new website. We can click from templates. And as you can see, all of the website templates right here are loading in. There are thousands and thousands of templates already inside of here that you can literally just start. You can import them, you can implement them for businesses. All you really got to do is change out some of the logos, change out the text, change out the images, and within around 30 to 60 minutes you have a fully functioning website set up for a business. And the thing is as well, there's so many different industries. If we click on the left hand side, we can look at all of the different categories and everything out there. And say for example, if we wanted to work with restaurant and bars, say we were going to do a website demo for a restaurant, we can click on that. We can click on the restaurant template. We can then get a preview of how that exact website looks right there. As you can see, we have the logo, and say for example, we're looking at this. If we want to go ahead with this exact website right here for our client, all we then need to do is click on continue. The website is then going to download into your client's account. Now that the website has been imported, we can pretty much edit this whatever way we want. We can change out some of the text, we can remove stuff, we can, bold stuff so it looks even bigger. We can come up to logo here and we can change out the logo by just clicking on it. Heading down on the right hand side to brand logo, I can then head over to my very own logo. I can put that on the website, and as you can see, Growth Rate apparently is now a restaurant. We're not a CRM software company anymore. You get the point. You can completely customize all of these websites to suit your exact liking, because the thing is, you're going to be working with a lot of clients that wants different things, and they want things to look slightly different, and they want to put things in certain places. The high level website and funnel builder is by far the most easiest one I've ever used. I've used pretty much everything else out there. I've used Wix, I've used Webflow, used Shopify, used WordPress. High level by far beats it in terms of speed, how simple it is to use, and how quickly we can get things set up for clients. So at the start of this video, I went over HubSpot and the fact that they are a CRM software company. If we then head over to opportunities over on the left hand side inside of high level, the opportunities tab is pretty much the CRM inside of high level. So this right here, as you can see, this is my booked a call CRM. So this is any people that have booked in for meetings with me. And as you can see, we're able to keep track of everything. We see, these people right here have booked a call. These people have already had the appointment. This guy right here, John, did not show up. These people aren't yet ready to, maybe sign up to my software or purchase a website from me. So got some people over on the right-hand side that simply aren't going anywhere. Maybe I had the call and they weren't the right fit, or they had completely different expectations. The next feature that I'm about to go over is something that I've become quite well known in the high level space for, and it's called reputation management. In a nutshell, what reputation management is it's a way for your customers to bring in a bunch of more positive Google reviews or TripAdvisor reviews or Booking.com reviews, but you're able to completely hide and internalize any of the negative reviews. This right here is great for businesses because they're able to start ranking organically higher and higher in the Google Maps, meaning that whenever someone is searching for hotels near me or restaurants near me, because your client is bringing in so many positive reviews and there's not really many negative reviews coming in, Google rewards these businesses and they organically start ranking them higher on the Google Maps. So how this actually works, and like I said, you get access to all of this, so do not worry. This right here is an importable snapshot that you do get access to whenever you sign up to that completely free course down below, like I mentioned a few minutes ago. You right now watching this video, you're able to import this right now into your high level account. You're able to go to your client, you can swap out their logo, you can swap out the images and the colors and pretty much make it to suit your client. How this works is there's a simple form and it has the first name, the email and the phone number. So your customers' clients will go out there and they'll fill out this form. You might have it set up at the reception, or you might set up a simple QR code. Once they go ahead and submit that form, they're then going to get taken to this page right here. And as you can see, we have 5 stars. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What actually happens here, if we click either 4 or 5 stars, this pop-up right here comes up. And as you can see, it has Google, it has TripAdvisor. You can add any platforms, you can remove any platforms. Like I said, this is importable, so it's an importable template that you can swap out for your clients and you can get things going for them. What actually happens here, whenever we click on one of these logos, it's going to take us to the client's respective page. So if you click on Google, it'll take them to their Google listing. If you click on TripAdvisor, it'll take them to their TripAdvisor listing. The leave us a review pop-up will come up automatically because of the way that we've set this up. I'm not going to go into too much detail right now on this video because it'll go on for a little while longer, but I do explain it in my completely free course. Once that pop-up comes up, the person can then go ahead and leave their positive review. But on the other hand, if we click either 1, 2, or 3 stars, it's then going to take the customer to this internal feedback form. This right here is exactly where they can, get whatever they need to say off their chest. They can leave their negative review down over here in message. So they might say something like, the food wasn't that well cooked, or the room wasn't that clean, or pretty much whatever negative experience that they had. We have a simple automation set up in the back end of all of this. So whenever someone hits submit, instead of this going on Google or going public, it's actually going to go ahead and get it sent over to your client, being the owner of the business. So the owner of the hotel, or the owner of the restaurant, or the owner of the gym, whatever industry or whatever niche that you're working with. So I hope you understand the gold mine that you're literally sitting on top of right now. There are so many businesses out there right now coming into 2025 that need your services. If you're selling a high-level software company, they need exactly what you're selling. So all you need to do is go out there, get it set up, start reaching out to businesses, start doing things for businesses, start making conversations with business owners, and you absolutely will get clients. Like I said earlier on in today's video, if you do want access to that completely free step-by-step course that goes over all of this in a lot more detail, it also includes a completely free extended 30-day trial to the high-level platform. So you can go out there, try it for yourself. Within those 30 days, you can absolutely get some clients under your belt to cover your subscription whenever you're past that 30-day mark. You get access to all my templates, all of my bonuses, all of my imports, all of my scripts, my courses, my one-to-one coaching, weekly coaching calls, you name it, it's all inside of the free course. This exact free course won the #1 spot for the top of funnel high-level lead magnet competition. So high-level themselves have gone through everything, they've verified it, it's all legit, it's good to go. It's good to go for you to just go out there, import, and start selling to businesses today. My name is Jason McElchar. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.